giving up, letting go. Times we might feel compelled, looking down from the heights that we have built all by ourselves. And there is fear of the unknown, but we cannot lose control.
Hi guys, this is Nelson. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm very excited because I'm recreating one of my besties makeup video that she did on her YouTube channel, and if you guys have not seen her video, I will link it down below. And today specifically I wanted to film this video because it is my bestie's birthday, so happy birthday, bestie. And I tried creating your makeup look the best that I can, although it doesn't look exactly like yours. I try to do it kind of similar. I had so much fun filming this look, and I will try to insert her picture into this video. And yeah, so that was her look, and she did an amazing cute job, and I love this makeup look so much. But yeah, nonetheless, if you guys would like to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So first of all, I'm gonna use this, which is the Maybelline foundation that I always use, and I am gonna use my beauty blender, you guys. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put foundation on my face. Just damp it all over the face. Man, that dog is ruining my video, you guys. Please ignore it. Bring it down the neck too, just so it can have like that nice coverage, so your neck kind of like matches your face a little bit. Babe, whose dog is that? Oh my gosh, ruining my video. And you guys can see that moving motion right there. My husband's playing his stupid games, and I'm trying to film here, but you know, can't do much. Okay, that took like an hour just to blend my foundation, you guys. So I did my brows off camera, and don't mind them, they're looking kind of like not like cute together today, but nonetheless, yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and do the eyeshadow part, and I'm gonna actually use the BH Cosmetic eyeshadow palette. This is the Eyes on the 60s palette, and you guys, this palette is really old but I love this palette because all the colors are just so bright and gorgeous. This is my go-to palette whenever I want to do like a bright, bold makeup look kind of thing. So yeah, my bestie did such an amazing job in that video, you guys, and I'm just gonna try my best to recreate it, but obviously it ain't gonna look that cute because, you know, she did a good job on it, and you know, I suck at makeup myself, so we're gonna try. So I'm not sure, I forgot if she like used a transition color or not, but I'm just gonna go ahead and use a dark pink shade, which is this dark pink shade right here, and I'm gonna use that too. Basically, it's a little bit darker than the one that she used. I'm trying to find my brush, sorry you guys. But anyways, so I'm gonna use that one, and I'm just gonna like pat it onto the eyes really nicely. And she used the Snow Angels palette, which the colors were gorgeous in that one as well, but I don't have that one, so I'm just gonna use what I have. So I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of, this looks kind of bad right now, you guys, but don't worry, girl, we're just gonna blend it and it's gonna look good. Okay, so don't mind that it looks crappy right now. And we're just gonna go ahead and blend everything in a bit. Just go ahead and blend everything. I'm gonna go ahead and take my blending brush and just like blend everything seamlessly onto the skin, so that way it looks nice. I think her pink was a little bit lighter, I don't know, but this one is a little bit darker, I think. So we're just gonna make it work, you guys. I'm gonna take this dark blue color right here, and we're gonna go ahead and put that one in the eyes. I mean, in the, you know, corner of the eyes. This color is gorgeous. Oh gosh. I'm like doing such a bad job already, you guys. And quick fact, me and my bestie has been like best friends for a long time actually. It's been longer than 10 years now. But we met in 7th grade and we had the same English class and math class. Dang, dang, time sure flies. Now that I look at it, it's like, it's been such a long time. And we're like grown adults now, doing our own thing, living our own life. I try my best to visit her or spend time with her whenever I get the chance, but you guys know that adult life, it's really hard to find time for each other and spend time together. It's just, you're both grown up, you're busy, you're working. It's just complicated. And I'm gonna go with a darker, I mean, I know she didn't use a black shade, but I'm just gonna kind of use that shade right there because I don't have like a darker blue to make it look even better. Just gonna try to use a even darker color just to kind of go on the outside to make it look like how she did it. I know she didn't really use black, but I'm just gonna kind of wing it. She used like a darker blue. But I'll mix it, you guys, don't worry. But I do know she kind of did like a wing effect to the eyes. So that's what I'm gonna try to do, you guys. Don't quote me on how messy my makeup looks. I really suck at recreating looks because I just feel like I'm horrible with makeup. Like, I don't know. Okay, and then we're just gonna go ahead and, this is just a little bit darker, but we're gonna go ahead and go back with that blue and just, oops, gosh, wrong brush, you guys. Back with that blue and just kind of like deepen it up to that part. You see how like we did the black, and we're just gonna go over the black with that blue, so it looks a little bit darker, but it's not technically black anymore because we're going over it with the blue color. So just kind of blend it. I'm gonna try to blend everything off camera and I'll be back. Okay, so I try to clean it off and try to shape it a little bit more off camera, but yeah, this is how it turned out. I feel like the pink is a little bit too dark compared to hers. I should have used a lighter pink, but it's okay. You guys, it's okay. So, we're gonna go ahead and do the bottom of the eyes, and she used the blue eyeliner, a blue eyeshadow. So we're just gonna go ahead and do the same. Put that blue under the eyes, you guys. I'll come back to the eyes, you guys. I am gonna actually go ahead and bronze the face. So let's go ahead and bronze the face using, of course, my Hoola Benefit bronzer. This is my favorite, and I've used this one so much already. You guys can tell it's like really. Hurry up, dude. Damn. Your loud noises in my background, you know that? We're gonna use this and just pretty much bronze the face. So I'm recreating her makeup look, so it's not gonna be exactly the same, but as long as it looks kind of similar, then that's what matters. But yeah, anyways, me and her has been friends for so long now, and we just like the same things. Like, we love makeup, you know. We're just more of like the same type of person. Like, our personalities are like similar. Our personalities are pretty similar too. Like, if you meet her and me, you guys will know that our personalities are really chill vibes. Really cool people, I feel. But anyways, I don't know why. For some reason, I feel like my eyeshadow is looking purple. It's supposed to look pink. Oh, I guess this is what happens when you don't have the same products and you try to do the same thing, I guess. Now I am gonna go ahead and go on to blush, and she actually used Luminoso from Milani too, so that is what I will be using for my blush as well. And I'm just gonna use it for my cheeks. Okay, this one is my personal, one of my oldie faves. I love this blush because I just feel like it just has that sheen to it, and it's just so pretty. It's like a shiny, neutral, warm, orangey tone. Y'all know what I mean. I can't describe stuff, but you're just gonna go ahead and blend that. We're just gonna go ahead and use a little bit of highlight just for the cheeks a little bit, because she also uses highlight for her cheeks. I typically don't highlight my face, but today I will, just for her, girl. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend the highlight. We also did some collabs in the past, so if you guys have not seen our video collabs, I will make sure to link some of those on my description box, so if you guys could check it out, that would be nice. Just gonna go back in with that blush just to emphasize it, the color a little bit more. We're gonna go ahead and take the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner, and oh, you guys can't really see it, but I'm gonna actually use this to go ahead and do my eyeliner, you guys. Hopefully it's focusing. Gosh, I'm so bad at eyeliner. Go ahead and do my eyeliner on the bottom. She actually used a dark blue eyeliner, but I don't have one, so I'm just gonna actually use a black one instead. What we're gonna do, you guys, is we're gonna do the lips. Taking my, of course, Jordana lip liner. This is my favorite. I don't have, like I said, I don't have the same products that she does, so I'm just gonna try to like do the best I can. And she did do like a very nude lip, so that's what I'm gonna try to do. But yeah, go ahead and take London from NYX, and we're just gonna go ahead and, I don't know why my camera's not like focusing really good, but don't mind. We're gonna go ahead and put that color onto the lips. It's like a new color too, so I forgot to put like a little highlight on the inner corners, and that's kind of what she did with her look. So that's what I'm gonna try to do right now. Just a little bit of highlight to the eyes. So I just popped my super dramatic eyelashes on because she tends to my bestie tends to wear super dramatic eyelashes. So we're gonna use the setting spray, Morphe setting spray, to lock everything in. And that's just pretty much a look completed. Look. Ooh. Super dramatic, you guys. That is the end of my video, and of course I try my best to recreate this makeup look for my bestie, and it was actually really fun. And yeah, if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.